Good morning, dear. Did you sleep well? Good morning, mom. Yes, I slept well. How about you? I am glad to hear that. I had a restful sleep too. What are your plans for today? I have football practice in the afternoon and then I need to work on a school project in the evening. Oh, that sounds busy. Make sure to manage your time well and complete your tasks on time. Do you need any help with your project? Yes, mom, I'm struggling with the research part. Can you assist me in finding some information? Of course, I would be happy to help. Let's sit down together after breakfast and we can search for the required information online. Thank you, mom. I really appreciate your support. You're welcome, dear. Remember, I am always here to support you. Now, let's have breakfast and get started with our day.